just really grateful sa opportunity kasi hindi naman lahat nakaka-experience ng ganito. So, I'm thankful for the opportunity.
So with a few days na practices, kamusta na yung progress nyo for campaign?
So far we had our best practice today. Very competitive and aggressive yung mga players. So ano lang, we're just building each and every day, trying to get better.
Well, how was it na having si Boban around?
Siyempre, exciting, masaya. At least may advantage kami kahit paano, sobrang laki, diba? So, maganda experience sa amin lahat. Diba?
First time mo ba sa Jones Cup?
Ay, hindi. Second time. First time with Ateneo. Yeah.
Champion.
Hindi.
Gaano ka different yun, yung experience mo with Ateneo and this one with Strong Group? Siyempre, ibang team, ibang tao yung kasama, pero Philippines pa rin.
Ibang level kasi Ateneo, mga college players lang yun. Ito mga professionals, iba't ibang klaseng level ng talent. So, maganda experience sa amin.
Well, how do you feel being back representing the Philippines after Gilas stop?
Siyempre masaya na ma-represent ulit yung Philippines. Like what I said kanina, blessing, opportunity. So, yeah, happy.
Do you see yourself playing for Gilas again in the future?
Yeah, definitely. If they call my name, I'm happy to represent the national team again. So why not?
What's next after itong
Wala pa. So right now, dito lang ako, focus lang sa SGA. After nito, I don't know what's gonna happen next. So anything can happen. So I'm just waiting for I'm just gonna prepare for this moment, and then whatever happens in the future will happen.
PBA comeback?
Yeah, hopefully. Why not? Nakaban ako eh. Kasi 2 years. So if tanggalin nila yun, balik ako.
Pero may offers?
Wala pa. For now, wala pa. So far, yeah.
Pero yung rights mo, tama ba? Nasa Titan?
Titan, yeah.
Or nag-appeal kayo?
Oh, nag-appeal naman. So we're just waiting for what they're gonna say.
Or nakatulong sa'yo yung Korean stint sa group mo sa basketball?
Nakatulong? Oh, syempre nakatulong. Champion kami doon. So, maganda experience ng competition, environment. Out of my comfort zone yun eh. Something new, something different. Sobrang ibang experience yung ganun eh. Parang basically mag-isa lang ako doon, not knowing anybody, pero I still went for it kasi I wanted the challenge. So definitely nakatulong sa akin sa development ko, sa skills ko and everything.
Second Jones Cup mo, first time ng SJ, siguro gano'n ka-excited. Back then, almost, almost na kayo makapag-podium now. You're solely gunning for 3-peat na dito.
Like what I said, kaya excited kami lahat for this opportunity. Siyempre kasama mga talented players, mga star players. Pero siyempre andun yung expectations, pero kailangan we take it one step at a time. Hindi pwedeng championship agad yung labanan kasi hindi pa naman yung one game at a time lang naman yun.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.